calorie counting works until you stop counting. Miss a day, fall behind, and the whole plan breaks. That's not long term. If you actually want to lose 25 pounds in 3 months, you need something that works without tracking everything. No calorie tracking, no strict diets, no getting back on track. It's simple. You follow a plan that adapts for you. The Weight Pilot app replaces calorie math with structure. It tells you exactly what to eat, exactly what groceries to buy, and automatically adjusts meal portions as you lose weight. No calorie tracking, no strict diets, no burning out. Just a simple plan that can help you lose up to 3 pounds in your first week. If you want to lose 25 pounds in 90 days without counting calories, tracking apps, or forcing strict diets, download the app at weightpilot.vercel.app.